The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, welcome back to one more session of mathematics class. Mathematics, as you all know, is all about squares, rectangles, etc. But life cannot be confined accurately into these shapes which are drawn with sheer accuracy. Life has to be flexible with some approximations, or else we will turn rigid. So my dear children, we will start a new chapter, that is new numbers. Which deals with approximations in calculating the solutions to problems. Okay. If you listen carefully, then only you will be able to understand the concept. So pay keen attention. Our topic is length and numbers. Children, see these squares. Draw a diagonal to divide the square into two triangles. Mark it as 1 and 2. In the same way, do it in the other square also. Mark it as 3 and 4. Arrange these triangles like this. 4, 1, 2, 3. Now, what is the area of this square? Do you have any idea? In lower classes, you have studied how to calculate the area of a square, right? Area of a square is equal to side into side. Here, look at this small square. One side is 1 meter and this square is also one side is 1 meter. Then what is the area of this square? First small square is equal to side into side. Here one side is 1 meter. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1 meter square. Right? Then area of this second small square is area of second small square is equal to, here one side is 1 into 1 is equal to 1 meter square. Clear? Next, area of this large square is what? These two triangles area is 1 meter square. These two triangles area is 1 meter square. So total area is 1 plus 1, 2 meter square. Here, area of large square equal to 2 meter square. Clear children? look at this picture. A small square and a large one drawn on its diagonal. Right? We have studied in standard 7. The area of the large square is twice the area of the smaller one. If one side of a small square is 1 meter, then area of this small square is 1 meter square, and the area of the large square is twice, that is 2 meters square. Right? If so, what is the length of one side of a large square? Here, one side of the large square is the diagonal of the small square. Right? We have seen that the area of the large square is 2 meters square. So, one side of the large square is more than 1 meter. Right? We have to take one side as 1.5 meter. Take one side as 1.5 meter. What is the area of this large square? Area is equal to side into side. That is 1.5 into 1.5. This can be written as 1 by 2 whole square. 1 plus 1 by 2. This can be written as 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square. We have studied in standard 8 the identity chapter. Right? Here, using the identity, x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Here using this identity, here x term is 1, y term is 1 by 2. This is equal to x square, 1 square 1, 2xy, again 1, y square 1 by 4. This is equal to 2 plus 1 by 4. This is equal to 2 1 by 4 meters square. So here area is 2 1 by 4 meters square. This is more than 2 meters square. So we cannot take one side as 1.5 meter. Next, we have to take one side as 1 by 4 meter. So area is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. This is equal to 1 by 4 whole square. This is equal to, this can be written as 1 plus 1 by 4 whole square. Again using the identity, this is equal to 1 plus 2xy, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 16. This is equal to 1 plus, here using cross multiplication, 16 plus 2 by 32. This is equal to 1 plus 18 by 32. This is equal to 1 plus 9 by 16. This is equal to 9 by 16 meters square. So this area is less than 2 meters square. Right? Take one more. Take one side as 1 by 3. So So area is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole square. This is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 whole square. This is equal to, here using the identity, 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 9. This is equal to 1 plus, here using cross multiplication, 18 plus 3 by 27. This is equal to 1 plus 21 by 27. This is equal to 7 by 9 meter square. Likewise, we can write many fractions whose square is closer and closer to 2 meter square. But never do we get any fraction whose square is exactly 2. From this we get the square of any fraction is not 2. In this, the diagonal of a square of side 1 cannot express as a fraction. Children, is it clear now? You have understood the concept? If the diagonal of a square of side 1 cannot be expressed as a fraction, let us see the other ways. Next, measures and numbers. See this square. Its area is 4 meter square. What is the length of one side of it? We know area of square is equal to side into side. Side into side. That is side square. Here, area is 4 meter square. So one side is equal to root 4. Root 4 is 2 meter. Right? Next, see this square. Its area is 9 meter square. So one side of this square is area is equal to side square is equal to 9. So one side is equal to root 9 is equal to 3 meter. Next, this is another square. Its area is 1.69 meter square. So one side of this square is equal to, area is equal to, side square is equal to 1.69, side is equal to root 1.69. This is equal to 1.3 meter. Right? In the same way, 1 meter. This large square area is double 2 meter square. So here area is equal to side square is equal to 2 meter. So one side of this large square is equal to root 2. That is, one side is root 2. If ഡയഗണൽ ലെങ്ത് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ആക്കിയിട്ട് റെപ്രസെന്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു അല്ലേ? അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ ഡെസിമൽ ഫോം കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. Now let us find the decimal form of √2. Here this one side is √2. Next we have to find the decimal form of √2. If one side of a square is 1.1, one side as 1.1, area is equal to side square, that is 1.1 square is equal to 1.21. Next, one side is taken as 1.2, area is equal to 1.2 square, this is equal to 1.44 meter square. Next, one side is taken as 1.3, area is equal to 1.3 whole square is equal to 1.69 meter square. Next, 1.4, area is equal to 1.4 square is 1.96. This is closer and closer to 2 meter square, right? Next, take 1.5, area is equal to 1.5 whole square is equal to 2.25. So this is more than 2 meter square, so we cannot take 1.5. So take it up to 100th place. Place. One side is take as 1.41. Area is equal to side square, that is 1.41 whole square. This is equal to 1.9881. This is closer and closer to 2 meter square. Next, take one side as 4.42. Area is equal to 1.42 whole square. This is equal to 2.0164. This is greater than 2 meter square. Right? So we cannot take one side as 1.42. Next, take it up to 1000th place. One side is taken as 1.414. Area is equal to 1.414 whole square is equal to 1.999396. This is closer and closer to 2 meter square. ഇവിടെ 4ന് പകരം 5 ആണ് വരുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ഏരിയ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 2 മീറ്ററിനേക്കാളും ഗ്രേറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഏത് വരെ പറ്റുള്ളൂ? 1.414. Okay, the squares of 1.4, 1.41, 1.414 closer and closer to 2 meter square. The squares of 1.4, 1.41, 1.414 etc. and so on closer and closer to 2 meter square. That is √2 is equal to 1.414 This symbol is read as approximately. That is nearly. Approximately means nearly. So root 2 approximate 1.4. Root 2 approximate 1.41 and so on. So root 2 is equal to 1.414 etc. Root 2, this symbol is read as approximately. Approximately means nearly 1.4. 10 place, 100 place, root 2 approximately 1.41 and so on. Next, this square area is 3 meters square. Area is equal to side square is equal to 3 meters square. Side is equal to root 3. Using this method, you can find the decimal form of root 3. Right? That is root 3 is equal to 1.73025 etc. And root 2 is equal to 1.4142 etc. You have to by heart the values of root 2 and root 3. Okay. Let us do a problem. In the picture, the square on the hypotenuse of the topmost right triangle is drawn. Calculate the area and the length of a side of the square. Here we have to find these sides of and area of this square. For that, here mark it as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Using Pythagoras theorem, CA is equal to base square plus altitude square. Root of base square plus altitude square is equal to root of 1 plus 1 is equal to root 2 meter. So CA is equal to root 2. Next, again using, this is a right triangle, again using Pythagoras theorem, DA is equal to root of base square. Here base is 1 meter, 1 square plus, here altitude is root 2 square. This is equal to root of 1 plus root 2 whole square is 2. This is equal to root 3 meter. This is root 2 whole square is equal to root 2 into root 2. This is equal to root of 2 into 2. This is equal to root 4. This is equal to 2. So here 1 plus root 2 whole square is 2. 1 plus 2 is root 3 meter. So here we get DA is equal to root 3 meter. Right? Next, find EA. Again, this triangle is a right triangle Using Pythagoras theorem, base square, root of base square, here base is 1 square and altitude is root 3 whole square. 1 square is 1, root 3 whole square, same way root 3 whole square is equal to root 3 into root 3, this is equal to root 3 into 3 is equal to root 9 is equal to 3, right? So here 3 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to root 4, root 4 is what? 2 meter, right? So here EA is 2 meter. Next, this triangle is also a right triangle. Again using Pythagoras theorem, FA is equal to root of base square, base is 1 square and altitude is 2 square. 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4, 1 plus 4 is equal to root 5. So FA distance is root 5 meter. FA is one side of this square. So here one side is root 5 meter. So area of this square, area of square AFG, H is equal to side into side. This is equal to root 5 into root 5. This is equal to root of 5 into 5. This is equal to root 25 is equal to 5 meter square is the area of this square AFGH. Is it clear? I hope all of you understood this session. Keep practicing at home. If you have any doubt, you can call me. That's all for today. We will see in the next class. Thank you.